In the dazzling 20s and 30s, the ketogenic diet emerged as a lifeline for epilepsy sufferers. Today, it's not just a seizure solution. It battles autism, type 2 diabetes, weight issues, and more. The keto craze has become a global sensation, endorsed by everyone. From regular folks to celebs and fitness enthusiasts flaunting incredible transformations. Picture a world flooded with irresistible keto recipes and success to lead a global phenomenon, a lifestyle embraced by many. Yet, the sacrifices are real. No more comforting carbs, farewell to rice, bread, donuts, cakes, or pasta. Instead, it's a carnivorous feast of meats, eggs, and veggies. But hold on, is it worth sacrificing the joy of that first bite of bread or the bliss of a delectable dessert? The struggle is real when comfort foods are off limits. Enter the savior, Kelly Herring, the genius behind keto-friendly breads and desserts. From biochemist to culinary virtuoso, she cracked the code for guilt-free indulgence. Her journey from illness to wellness inspired recipes that not only mimic but surpass the real deal in taste. Kelly's creations are more than recipes. They're a triumph over deprivation. As you feast your eyes on her culinary marvels, consider the benefits unfolding for your well-being. No more bland health food. Kelly's recipes promise a symphony of flavors, recreating your favorites with your satisfaction in mind. Her baking program is a culinary journey captured in high-quality photos and foolproof instructions. Even if you're a novice, these recipes elevate you to baking excellence. Every recipe underwent meticulous trial and error, ensuring perfection. The finished product mirrors the tantalizing images, leaving you proud to share with loved ones. Concerned about allergies? Fear not. Kelly's books cater to food sensitivities, offering healthy substitutes. Tracking your nutrition is a breeze with complete information on macronutrient ratios. Indulge without derailing your ketosis journey. These recipes aren't just substitutes. They're healthy renditions of classics. Each ingredient is natural, keto-friendly, and contributes to your overall well-being. Convenience at your fingertips. Both books come in digital and physical versions, backed by a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. The choice is clear between a healthy life and foods that make you happy. You don't have to compromise. Keto Baking with Kelly Herring brings you the best of both worlds. Say goodbye to deprivation, embrace the joy of delicious foods, and start your journey towards a healthier, more fulfilled life. Your taste buds and well-being will thank you.